right now everyone's affected by the tariffs because the threat of uncertainty that's been going on right now under the Trump administration has made a lot of people nervous. You have 3 tranches of product coming from China that has as 10% on some of the products already with the threat of going to 25%, and then you have another over $200 billion worth of product that's threatened with duties as high as 25%. So there's almost nothing that isn't threatened right now. However, what is really affected at this point that is popular at ASD, apparel of course, has duties as high as 32%. Some of the rubber footwear has duties as high as 37.5%. You've got ceramics and silverware and other kinds of home furnishing products that can go as high as about 25%. So you have a range of products. You also have an issue right now for a lot of jewelry importers who have relied on Turkey and some other countries, India and Turkey in particular, for duty-free under GSP program. And those are threatened right now because the United States has announced that we are removing Turkey and India from the GSP program. So I think a lot of ASD exhibitors need to be thinking about that issue.